So my intuition here, Sweta, do you have a
Yes, sir.
knowledge on Tableau before that?
No, sir.
Okay, so is there anyone having the knowledge on Tableau?
I do a little bit from my college.
Okay, so what extent you know it from the Tableau?
I mean, a limited extent, not too much.
Okay, so guys, Tableau is very important tool in perspective of data analytics, business intelligence, data science, or data analytics, business analytics. Business analyst is different, business analytics is different. Just remember that one. So just tell you one thing. Okay, whiteboard face. So this session I would like to talk about Tableau related thing. Just give me some time. I'm connecting with my notepad. Sorry, touchpad. Okay, fine. So yes, let's talk about a Tableau. Yes. So what is Tableau? What is Tableau? Why we need to learn Tableau? Why we need Tableau? Okay. Tell me anyone. Akash, can you
Yes,
please tell me what is Tableau and why we need the Tableau?
yes, Tableau is one kind of platform that you learn with, with some
Tableau
lay
is the
all the
software. We
data in a
need
one
Tableau
place.
because it helps us to analyze data easily.
Okay. Yep. Is there anyone other than Samir and other than Kunal and Akash? Is there anyone need to talk about Tableau? Yes. So let's talk. So you have a data sources. See, first we need to, before we are going to be understanding the Tableau, we need to know that data warehousing, how the data warehousing can work. Okay, data warehousing. So when data warehousing of one specific applications, you might have the different data sources, right? Okay, the data sources, it might be Oracle data sources, it might be CSV data source, or else SQL database. Okay, so you may have a different kind of data sources. This all data, so from this all data sources, we need to load this entire data with help of the some kind of ETL. Okay, and we need to store in one particular storage, that is your data warehouse. Inside of the data warehouse you have a data actually. Okay, we have a bunch of data on some specific application. So from this particular data warehouses, we can do two kind of analytics. One is the one is the predictive analytics, one is the descriptive. Predictive as well as predictive. For the predictive analytics, we can do two type of analytics. One is the predictive analytics. For the predictive analytics, those guys we are calling it say data scientists. Okay, and here descriptive analytics or prescriptive analytics, descriptive and prescriptive analytics, those guys we can call it the business intelligence guys, or else business analytics guys, or else it's not BA, it's a business analytics, data analytics guy actually. Okay, and those guys basically what they will do, from this particular data warehouse, with help from this particular data warehouse, with help of the different tools, the tools, it might be a Tableau, or it might be Power BI and ClickSense or ClickView. Okay, different kind of reporting tools or visualization tools, they would like to give you insight of the data from this particular data warehouse. Clear? Here Tableau is the one of the visualization tool. It will help you to create the dashboards or reports and share the stakeholders, so that the stakeholders can go through that particular visualization and they will understood the data and they will understood the inside of the data, and from that one they will take the decision what they will do. They will take the decision to improve their sales or marketing or else profits and everything. Clear?
Yeah.
Any question regarding about this one?
Yeah.
So that's a workflow actually. So basically the Tableau developers, what they will do, or Tableau engineers or else data analyst or data analytics guy, what they will do actually, so they will create some kind of reports. Okay, the reports within the format of graphs actually. Reports means it's a graphs. Okay, so this graphs or visualizations with help of that one. Okay, the stakeholders, they will able to go for do some kind of analysis. Clear? Yeah. So you have a different kind of competitors are there for
Excuse me,
reporting.
sir.
Yes.
W is it's like open CV.
It's not open CV. We have one open CV that I will tell you. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So Tableau is the software. Basically, Tableau is the tool, or else we can call it the Tableau is the tool. Okay. This tool will help you to visualize the data. Okay. Is it necessary to visualization? Without visualization, can't we do analysis? We can do, but it's a very tough actually. Okay. We can't go for intuition or insight of entire data. But when go for visualization, so even you have a large data, you will get it the entire graph in with your hand only, right? So that visualization is the best practice to get the more intuition or to get the more information about the data. Okay. So this Tableau software, which is available, and one thing, it could be the free and there could be some kind of cost also. Okay. So the Tableau there, it is available in a two versions, free version as well as paid version. Okay. So Tableau, which is available in paid version as well as a free version. So free version is the Tableau public. Okay. This Tableau public software, Tableau public is the software. So this software, which is a free, and we can download from internet and do the reports, but we can't save these reports in our local computers. These reports can be saved in the public server. Okay, public server. When you are saving the public server, when you save the some kind of reports in the public server, so everyone can able to look your reports actually, so that the companies are not using these things only. Who, if you want to learn more about Tableau, this is the okay for learning practice, for learning perspective, public Tableau is the good practice actually. Okay, the reason is that we can download and we can do the reports and we can publish in the public server. Okay, but we can't save these reports in our local computer. We can't share this reports to anyone with help of the mails and other stuff. We can save everything into the public server only, Tableau public server only. This can be accessible anywhere. It could be internet. If we have internet, then we can able to access this public server. Okay, so whatever the reports we generated, whatever the reports we created with help of the Tableau public, so those reports we are going to be uploading or we are deploying into the public server. Okay, so that, so if for example if you're running the company, okay, so the company having the data, right? If the company having the data, then the data, it could be safe and secure. It must be safe and secure. Whatever the visualization you did with help of this data, if you're published in the public server, if anybody can able to access that particular reports, okay, that's not a good practice. I mean, it's people, the companies won't allow this kind of things actually. Their data must be safe and secure. But when you're publishing in the public server, then how it is safe, right? No safe, right? So everybody can able to understand their business policies and everything. They will copy their business policies and they will start one more company same like that. Okay, that's the reason people for practicing purpose, for learning purpose, this Tableau public is good. And one more drawback for the Tableau public, we can't connect the multiple data sources. We can connect only local, only Google Drive. We can connect it to only Google Drive, okay, and local files only, okay. So we can't connect any other MySQL or else or Oracle DB or Amazon, different other stuff. We can't connect actually. I would like to show you how the Tableau public will be looks like. So this is my Tableau public. So I'm opening my software in my computer. I already installed this particular Tableau public. Okay. So when you're opening this one, the data sources, it can connect only limited data sources only. What are the data sources it can connect that I can show you? Just wait a second. Check time it is taking. Okay, so guys, yeah, it's opening Tableau desktop. Tableau desktop is a software which is available in 2 versions. Okay, so remind me later. Yes, so this is your Microsoft Excel. We can connect to files Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON files, and PDF files, and special files and statistical files, and we can connect only some servers. Okay, so OData and Google Drive, and only this web data connector and OData and Google Drive, only this are the only 3 connectors we can do that. Okay, we can't connect any servers, we can't connect any databases, only Google Drive and your local files only it can be connect. Okay, let me go for connect with you any one of the Google Drive. So just go ahead with the click on the Google Drive. When you click on the Google Drive, it will ask that which Google Drive should I need to connect. Okay. It is asking that which Google account should I access. I'm just connecting one. Okay, is the embedded thing, and it was giving access for that one. You can go ahead, and when you're connected, it will be showing that what are the things are there inside of it. Okay, in my Google Drive, these are the folders are there. Let me go for business use case, and this is my office supplies. Okay, this is my sheet CSV file. So you're just connecting this one. When you're connecting this one, okay, see, this is your sheet, right? Okay, this sheet which is having the your your data connections. Okay, this is your office supplies data, and we can open and we can rename this particular file, and we can remove actually from here. Okay, generate the fields names automatically, text file properties, what could be the properties of this particular text file. Okay, it's the field separator is the comma, and the text qualifier is automatic, and the character set is the UTF_8, and it was English standard actually, English language it was having. Okay, so just it was giving some kind of, so you are just connected through your Google desktop, and this is your sheet one, right? You're connected just a data source, and which is having the 7 fields and 50 rows of data we have it. Okay, and maximum we can display only 50 records. See, so these are your file types. Okay, type and field name and physical table and remote field. So this is your field name, order date, and region, and first name, last name, item. This is your remote field, and this is your field name. Okay, so if you click on the sheet, here we have things, measures, and tables. We have some kind of ABC, 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 and date ABC, right? This means it's a dimensions. which are the dimensions actually. Okay, these are the measures. Okay, dimensions are, it was categorical format, and these are the numbers, it could be in the format of hash character. Okay, in Tableau dimensions and measures can be identified with help of this ABC, ABC, ABC. If something is having an ABC, it could be dimensions. Even date also, it could be dimension. But number in the sense, something which is showing me like a hash character, it indicating that it's a number. Okay, for example, I want to go ahead with the date wise cost, order date, and I want to go ahead with the cost. Actually, simply we can drag and drop, and we can drag and drop. Okay, so columns and rows, then it was displaying that unit cost from 2014 to 2015, and I want to showing in a format of a monthly wise. Then it was showing me this graph, like in which month it was high cost and which month it was in a low cost. Okay, that it can be showing you. Like I would like to go ahead with so I would like to go ahead with the days wise. If you go ahead with the days wise, then each day it will be giving that entire information. Okay, this is the way we just drag and drop, and we can select, the tables. Okay, and we can select. Okay, so these are the graphs. Actually, it was a graph, this graphs, lot of graphs are there, approximately 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 24 graphs are there. Okay, so these are the free-defined graphs, and meanwhile we can able to go for creating customized graphs as well. Okay, this is simple Google desktop. For example, I want to be save this one. If you just click on the save option, it was asking that Tableau public sign in. For example, I'm just giving that my server name. I already have the server, so that I'm just giving that server name, and then after you're giving that password, that thing. So you're saving this one, demo. So you're giving the name is, for example, demo2. Save it. So when you're saving this one, so you would like to go for accessing the automatically saved in our server. I want to be access that one. Okay, use another account. So SOC Softtech, and I'm just like logging to that particular server for showing that what graph I created. It's a dummy thing. See the graph what I created, okay, it was showing me here. Okay, whatever the report I created here, this report, it will be showing me on our internet or not. So this link everybody can able to access. If I'm sharing this link, okay, if I'm sharing this link, anybody can able to access, and they will able to look this particular report. And meanwhile we can download this report, and we can do some kind of settings, and we can edit, and we can do that actually. Okay, hope you understood. This is the Tableau public having some kind of limited resources. We can't work with all areas. Okay, we can't connect with multiple data sources. We cannot store everything into your local computer. You whatever the reports we created, that report, it must be published in the public server only. Okay, that is a drawback we are facing in the Tableau public desktop. Now I have another Tableau desktop is there. This is my paid version. Okay, so what we can do, if you click on this one, approximately same, Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. This Tableau Public, it was the free. Tableau Desktop, it was the professional version and personal version. We have it again. We have the two type of versions are there in a Tableau Desktop. Okay, so as of now you just understood only Tableau Public, right? So Tableau Public is the one software which is a free, and we can do reports, and we can create the reports, and we can share with it. For learning purpose, that's okay, but in real time, Tableau Public, no one can use it. They will use only Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop. This Tableau Desktop, it's a 15 days free trial. You can download with your own mail ID, and you can download and we can install in your local computer. And so it was a free only 15 days. But this is that there are two versions are there in a Tableau Desktop. One could be the personal version. Okay, second one, it could be the professional version. And professional version having the all database connections, and we can store in local missions. We can store that reports in your local missions, and we can publish wherever you want it. Okay, clear or not? So but when it comes to the personal, okay, okay, personal version, professional version, we have it both. It could be almost same, but there could be some kind of limitations are there in a professional version, and but in professional version we don't have any kind of limitations. And so in real time, in companies are using the professional version only. So for business perspective it's okay, but but personal versions, it could be practicing and okay. So now what I want to tell you, I would like to show you the professional version, Tableau Public. See how many things we can connect it. We can connect the Tableau server, we can connect the micro two files, and we can connect more things actually. Okay, like if we have already files are there, Tableau files are there, we can connect actually. Okay, and we can connect to the multiple servers. So many servers are there. These are all installed servers: Alibaba Analytics DB for MySQL, Alibaba Data Lake Analytics, and Azure, and Databricks, and Cloudera Hadoop. Okay, so these are all servers. These are all servers. Okay, almost 57 installed servers are there. We can go and connect with any one of the server, and we can work on it. Clear? And there are some kind of saved data sources are there, and sample supermarket and all indicator. And you can create for example, you can click on any one of the sample data sources which is available in our local. It was available in here, and this is your dimensions, and this is your measures. Okay, like for example, I would like to go for locations wise profit I want it. Okay, locations wise profit I want it. I want to use the locations are my color indications. I can explain you guys, this is just a demo. You can feel it, it's a demo things. Okay, and you can just click on the, okay, see, if you click on the graphs, so see how beauty it is, right? So this is the way you can able to go for create the reports, and we can save it. When you're saving, it is not asking your public server. It can be saved either TWB format or TWBX format. There is a two file extensions are there, TWB, TWBX, Tableau workbook, Tableau workbook package. Okay, what is the difference of this one and everything I can explain you in upcoming sessions, but we can save it your files. We can save it your files in a two modes. One is the TWB or TWBX in our local machine or in our local server. Clear or not? And one thing you can remember it, data source. When you went the data source, here we have a two kind of connections, right? Live connection and extract connection. So here we have a two type of connections are there in a Tableau desktop, but you can see Tableau public. If you go for the data source, this kind of flexibility don't have it. Okay, you just click on this one. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, you just go for here and you don't have any kind of connections. You don't have any kind of connection option here. But in case of Tableau desktop, you have that specific connection, right or not? So this is your Tableau desktop. In Tableau desktop, we have a connection option. Okay, so we have the connections, a live and extract, and here we have some kind of data source level only. We have the filter is there. Okay, and so this is your sample database. This could be available, and this is also available, and this is also available in Tableau desktop, but these two things are not available in Tableau public actually. Okay, Tableau public connections and filters are not available. See, don't have that kind of things, right? For example, text files, we can connect the text files. You can go ahead with the tab .csv, take text format, CSV file formats. So let's go for the office supplies. Okay, this is one file format, all files. See, you can connect, right? So it's for copy file connection, no problem, but we don't have that kind of connection flexibility in case of Tableau public. But Tableau desktop, we can go ahead with the live and extract. What is mean that live and what is mean that extract, with a lot of examples we'll discuss in upcoming sessions. So today what you will do, guys, either you can download the Tableau public or else Tableau desktop. Which one is good? It's a 14 days. For 14 days, Tableau desktop is fine. Okay, it's a free for 14 days. So what we can do, the Tableau which is published or which is shareholder is Salesforce. So that Tableau desktop, we just go for Tableau desktop and click on that, and we can go for the download, start a free trial, and it will be downloading the Tableau desktop and give that credentials and everything, and then so it will be the free for practicing purpose. That's okay. Okay, it's only 14 days, right? That's okay. You can go and download the Tableau desktop. We were not working on the Tableau public. Tableau public is not good at all. It's not a good practice in a real-time scenarios. So that go for the Tableau desktop at least 14 days on, right? If the free trial version is done, then what we can do, go for download with another Tableau desktop with another mail ID. Okay, so that's the way we can go for practice your Tableau desktop or Tableau in our this particular sessions. Clear? Any questions? So guys, that's for today's session regarding about Tableau introduction part, and we'll meet by tomorrow in SQL and Tableau classes, as well as if someone is coming for machine learning classes and come for that machine learning classes, and someone is coming for Python classes and come for that particular Python classes as well. Okay, see you guys, bye, take care.
Bye.
Bye.